Hello my dear students, welcome to Computer Class 4, Lesson 5. Today in this session we will do the question answers of this chapter given on page number 54 and 55. So let's start with the question answer. Fill in the blanks. A. Here you can find few hint words given at the bottom of the screen, and the same is displayed in the book also. But my dear students, I have displayed the answers, but during the exams, you will not get any hint words, so the chapter should be very clear to you. So, first one, let's start the fill in the blanks. When the computer networks are joined together, they form a bigger network called dash, and the answer is network. I have displayed the answer for your comfort. So each website is identified by its unique address known as the dash. Each website is identified by its unique address known as the URL. Third one, and dash is a company which offers the use of internet in exchange for a fee. An ISP is a company which offers the use of internet in exchange for a fee. A dash is a software that searches various web pages on World Wide Web for a particular information. The answer is search engine. A search engine is a software that searches various web pages on the World Wide Web for a particular information. Now, fifth one, the act of searching on the World Wide Web by following one link after another without a planned search strategy is called dash. So the answer is net surfing, the act of searching on the World Wide Web by following one link after another without a planned search strategy is called net surfing. A dash is a web page which may contain text, images, videos, audios, etc. So the answer is digital page, which is not written in the hint words in your book. So write there digital page. DIGITALPAGE. Write the spelling properly. A digital page is a web page which may contain text, images, videos, audios, etc. Now next question, true or false. You have to mention whether the statement is true or false. www refers to the network of the sites on the internet, and yes, the statement is true, so write true for it, T for it. The URL of any website is entered in the search bar of a web browser. My dear children, the URL of any website is entered in the address bar of a web browser, so the statement is false. Bing is an example of a search engine, and the statement is true. Now next one, fourth one, modem allows a computer to send or receive information through telephone lines, and the statement is false because modem allows a computer to send or receive information through telephone lines is false because internal modems are also available in your laptop and all. You can find internal modems in your lappy. Internal modems are available. Now next one, fifth one, ISP stands for Internet Service Protection. And no, the protection word is wrong. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. The web was the first commercial ISP. Again, the statement is false because the ARPANET was the first commercial ISP. So, first and third is true, and rest of the statement, that is 2, 4, 5 and 6 is false. Next question. Multiple choice question given on page number 55. For each question, 3 options has been given and you have to mark the correct one. That I have marked it for your comfort. So mark it properly and fill the answers correctly in the blanks given. Okay. Now, Dash is regarded as the founder of www, and the options are Larry Page, Tim Berners-Lee or Sergey Brin. And the correct answer is B, Tim Berners-Lee. The phrase surfing the net has been coined by James Gosling, David Fillo or Mark McChill. And the correct answer is Mark McChill. Third one, in Dash technology, a computer is continuously connected to the internet through the phone line, and the options are broadband, dial-up, microphone, and the correct option is broadband. When we move the cursor over a link, the cursor changes to dash-shaped pointer. The options are hand, hourglass, cross, and the correct option is hand, A. Fifth one, which among the following is an example of search engine? And the 3 options are ISP, Google and Internet Explorer. So the correct option is Google, B. Google is an example of search engine. Now, in Google Chrome, Dash options displays a list of recently visited website, and the 3 options are recent, latest, history. And the correct answer is history. In Google Chrome, history option displays a list of recently visited websites. Dear children, mark the answers correctly and write it in the fill in the blanks. Take care of the spelling also. Now, question number E. Answer the following. What do you understand by the term network? Explain your answer with help of examples. Answer. A network is a collection of computers and devices connected together and allow computers to share resources such as hardware, software, data, and information. Example of network is the internet, which connects people all over the world. Second one, what is internet? When the computer networks are joined together, they form a bigger network called internet. Now, dear children, what are the basic requirements for an internet connection? The basic requirements for an internet connection are modem, an internet connection, telephone line, and web browser. Fourth one, list the different parts of Google Chrome window. Explain any two. And the answer is parts of Google Chrome windows are back, forward, reload this page, bookmark this page, new tab, customize and control Google Chrome. Now, explain any two. Here I have explained reload this page and second one back. If you want to explain the rest of the option, any of the rest of the options that I have given here, any parts you want to explain, you can go to page number 51 and you can find the answers there. Okay, so reload this page I have explained. This button will reload the most relevant version of the current page. Back, clicking on this button takes you back to the previous page that you have already visited. And if you want to explain any of the options, any more options, you can go to page number 51. You can find the explanation there. Okay, with question number 5, write short notes on the following terms and the full form. I'll be back in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.